In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a face wash ad in Canva. We're going to build a clean, premium-looking skincare ad step by step, perfect for Facebook, Instagram, or any social media platform. Just follow along and pause whenever you need to. First, choose your format. Open Canva and on the home screen, go to the search bar at the top. Type in Facebook ad, Instagram post, or skincare templates. If you already know where you're posting this ad, pick the format that matches that platform. For example, choose Instagram post for a square 1x1 design or Facebook ad if you want a more horizontal layout. You can either start with a blank canvas or you can click on Skincare Templates to get ready-made layouts designed specifically for beauty and skincare. Choose one template that feels close to the vibe you want for your face wash ad, then click on it to open the editor. Next, upload your product. On the left side, click on the Uploads tab, then click Upload Files. Select your face wash bottle or product photo from your device and wait for it to upload. Once it appears in your Uploads panel, drag it onto your canvas. If you have Canva Pro, you can use the background remover for a clean, professional look. With the product image selected, go to Edit Image and choose Background Remover. Wait a moment while it processes. Once the background is gone, you can refine the edges if needed using the brush tools. This gives you a clean cutout of your bottle that will sit nicely on any background. Now we'll create a scene for your ad. First, let's set the background. On the left side, click on Photos or Elements and use the search bar. Type in green gradient, water background, or clean background, depending on the mood you want. Green gradients work great for natural or herbal face wash products. Water backgrounds are perfect for freshness and hydration themes. Clean, minimal backgrounds give a modern, premium skincare feel. Click on a background you like and it will drop onto the canvas. If it doesn't fill the whole area, drag the corners until it covers the entire design. From here, place your product image on the background. Click your face wash bottle, drag it to the center or slightly off-center and resize it by dragging the corners. Make sure the product is the main focus. It should be large enough to grab attention, but not so big that there's no room for text or elements. Align it visually so it feels balanced on the page, either centered or slightly to one side for a more dynamic layout. Now let's add effects and elements to make the ad feel alive. In the Elements tab, search for bubbles, soap foam, or water drops. These are perfect for a face wash ad. Choose a few that match your style, then drag them onto your design and place them around the product. You can make smaller bubbles around the base or floating in the background. Next, look for light and glow. In Elements, search for light gradient or glow. Add soft light shapes behind or around the bottle, and then adjust the transparency at the top right so they blend subtly into the background. This makes the product pop without being too harsh. You can also layer glows behind the product to fake a spotlight effect. For extra freshness, add realistic water droplets. Still in Elements, search water drops or droplets. Place a few near the bottom of the bottle or scattered lightly across the background. Keep them subtle so they support the design instead of distracting from the label. Use the rotate and resize handles to make them feel natural and varied. Next, we'll add text and branding. Click on the Text tab on the left and choose Add a Heading. Type a short, benefit-driven headline like Deep Cleanse, Glowing Skin, or Oil-Free Freshness. This should be bold, simple, and easy to read. For a premium feel, use a clean font similar to Lotto or another modern sans serif. Increase the font size so this headline is the first thing people notice after the product. Place it near the top or beside the bottle depending on your layout. Under the headline, add more text for details. Click Add a subheading or add a little bit of body text. Here you can include key ingredients like with aloe vera and green tea, or a short tagline like gentle on skin, tough on impurities. Adjust the font size so it's smaller than the headline but still readable. Play with font color and spacing so the text contrasts well against your background. Use darker text on light backgrounds and lighter text on dark ones. Make sure everything looks clean and easy to scan. Now refine and get ready to export. To control how things stack visually, click on any element, then right-click and use options like Send to Back or Bring to Front. In Canva, this controls your layers so bubbles can sit behind the product and text can stay clearly on top. Adjust positions until everything feels balanced and professional. Zoom out to check the overall look and make sure nothing is too close to the edges. When you're happy with your design, click Share or Download in the top right. For image ads, choose PNG if you want higher quality or transparency, or JPG for a smaller file size. For motion or video style ads, choose MP4 if you've added animations. Set your quality options, then click Download and wait for it to process. You've now created a complete face wash ad in Canva, ready to upload to Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform where you want to promote your skincare product.